Hi everyone, my name's James. I'm the head of quality at Workshop Coffee. Today we want to talk about a little product from a company called MiiR, who we've just started partnering with to stock a lot of their products in the UK. It's a brewer that they make called the Pourigami. It's a really incredibly portable brewer that literally fits in your pocket, and I guess designed for sort of camping scenarios or when you want to brew coffee on the road and you don't have to take a whole lot of gear with you. So it's pretty light, comes in this little pouch, and it's quite a clever design. You've got three little panels here made of powder-coated stainless steel, and you can also fit in a folded filter paper in the case. Rather than a collapsible brewer or something that's already assembled, you just have to slot it together to make the brewing cone that will hold your filter paper. What's quite nice with the Pourigami is you've got these little grooves on the bottom. So if you're brewing on a slightly unlevel surface, it's not going to slide off thanks to the little design feature of these grooves. When you're brewing pour-over coffee with a nicely roasted coffee, you want to probably use boiling water or as close to boiling as possible. So throw your kettle on your campfire stove, get it nice and hot. Here I've got 18 grams of coffee, ground a little coarser than I would for a single cup pour-over normally, because the Pourigami tends to be a little slower draining than other comparable sized brewers. I've managed to get 2 cups out of this at a push. You can maybe put like just shy of 30 grams in here and do about half a litre of coffee. But typically if I'm brewing in this, I like to use 18 grams of coffee to 300 grams of water. And make sure that the cup can hold enough coffee so that the filter isn't sinking into the top of the brewed coffee when you're finished. So that's all dripped through. It looks really nice and flat and level. I'm going to dump out the coffee and the filter paper. It's really easy to keep this nice and clean. I'm just going to dry them off and put them back in the carry case. On one of them here, you might notice there's a give code. And what that means is if you type in this alphanumeric code on the MiiR website, it will show you some of the projects that they're funding around the world. So you can understand what buying a product from MiiR will fund in terms of the social arm of their company. So once they're dry and clean, it's really simple. Pop them back in your case, pop another filter paper in so you're ready for next time. And that's it. It's incredibly portable, hard wearing, with a lifetime guarantee. One of the most portable coffee brewers I've ever used. Definitely going to take it when I next go away to Origin. And and I'm now going to enjoy this cup of coffee. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you soon.